Hello, what's up everybody? And today we have the Aspire Breeze. Check that out. And once again, we are in my room. It's like to do videos in my room because it's nice. And yeah, we're gonna open this bad boy up and check it out. Very excited for this. And if y'all care, it's you got the 2 coils. Honestly, I didn't do too much. I didn't look too much into this product. All I know is it's fucking great. It's a cool product. So we're gonna check this out. Got this thing opened up. That nice slide action. Okay, just gonna open this up. See what we got. Okay, we got a manual. Now, I've never actually used one of these like type of coil devices, the rings. It shouldn't run out as much, like it shouldn't burn out or anything, as much as a normal pod system. Okay, so we got a charger. And if you guys are wondering, got this product from the vapor supplier. Use the discount code in the description. Y'all will get 15% off your device, juices, and yeah, they got a huge variety and they're probably the cheapest prices on the internet. Check this out, we got the Aspire Breeze. Take that off, and I believe that's that. The packaging comes with 2 coils and the Breeze. My fucking arm. But anyway, so let's get into this. So I actually have no idea how to use this. 2 milliliter capacity tank, which in my eyes, like, it's cool, but I do like to switch out flavors a lot. 650 milliamp battery, which is like huge. That's a big battery, so it should be lasting a long time. Within 2 seconds, we'll turn on or off the device. Okay, so you can shut it on or off. It's kind of cool. Pull and remove the drip tip section. So we're gonna do that. Okay, so that thing comes off. Unscrew and pull out the cartridge. Pass the atomizer and replace it with a new one. The whole reason I went to the Juul system was because I do not mess with coils. Oh, there we go, boom. Fuck. Alright, so you take this thing off, right? And then the coil goes right here on the bottom. Look at that. Boom. All good. Okay, so the liquid is gonna go into here. Alright, and hopefully y'all can see that. See that line? That is the maximum fill line. It looks like it's moving, doesn't it? So we're gonna put some. We got strawberry lemonade by Pure, and this stuff is going to be absolutely delicious. I'm so hyped. So we're gonna do this. Alright. So what I'm going to do is just put a little bit of juice, so that way I can change out flavors when I want to. Because I think 2 milliliters is nice, but to me that's a little too much. Like, now we put this baby back in here, screw it back. Alright, and I think I take back what I said because this is super simple. Like, the only thing is the coil might be all wet and liquidy, so you can't really change them that fast. Cool, so we got a light on the side that just popped out. Let's see if I can Boom, you see that? Alright, let's do it. Damn, it smells good already. Ooh. Oh my god, that is delicious. Strawberry lemonade. What? It tastes like I'm drinking some Minute Maid right now. Whew. Alright. Let's try it again. On this thing is great. Like, if you don't get the buzz on a Juul, this thing will for sure give you a buzz, because wow, this thing rips. Whew. Alright, and as always, we're gonna test it against the Juul, because that's what I've noticed people look for. They're all looking for the Juul alternative, and yeah, wow. So this this has me ripped. This strawberry lemonade is 60 milligrams. Damn, y'all can't even see that. Hopefully y'all can see that. Strawberry lemonade, 60 milligrams. Because that's what pure comes in 60. It's cool, because it allows you to get a buzz. So compared to the Juul, it's a little shorter, but it's also a little fat. It's a little fat device. And you can see that right there. Yeah, so that's pretty much the size comparison. A little shorter, it's a little heavy, but it's really not that bad. Let's see. Yeah, it's kind of the weight, a little heavy, like a heavy phone. That's what it feels like, the weight. But yeah, let's hit the Juul and try that out. So we got a mango pod. Nice. You got the mango flavor. Man, it's so tasty. It's like I'm drinking lemonade. But yeah, so people are wondering if this is a good device to switch to from the Juul. And I would have to say yes. I mean, just the first couple of hits, like, they're not harsh. You're getting that full hit. The pull is nice. It's a little airy. But, man, like, you're only going to need to hit this thing one time compared to the Juul, where you're wanting to take, like, chain vapes. So far, nothing has really beat the Juul, but this thing, it seems so promising. Like, you got that capacity of 2 milliliter, you got the fat battery. You got the coil system, which is actually super simple and super easy to install. I believe coils are like $15, something like that. And I'm not sure how many refills you're gonna get, but compared to a normal pod device type of wick, I'm telling you, it's gonna be better. It's gonna be stronger. I'm hella like nicked out from this shit. The pull is beautiful. Flavor is so much nicer than refilling a Juul pod. Like, I'm getting that full flavor of the juice. The charger is a USB charger, so in terms of this and the Juul, I mean, it's $25, and you know, so you shut it off with 3 clicks when you're not using it. You turn it back on, 3 clicks. Beautiful little device. I would have to say they done everything right with this thing. It feels nice. You know, you put it in your pocket just like the Juul. That vapor content is there. Yeah, nothing more I can really say. It's a great device, and I'll update you guys if this video gets pretty big and you guys want to see an update, you know, in like a week of using it. yeah, so that's the Aspire Breeze for everyone out there who's checking it out. And yeah, you guys, beautiful product. I'm digging it so far. Thank you for watching, everybody. And if you like this video, subscribe, comment, and rate. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you have any opinions, whatever, just throw them out there. And we out. We rocking this train. We going to the top. So stay tuned. We got hella videos coming up. Alright, y'all. Peace. Take it easy.